It's me, NYSE Einstein, the Einstein of Wall Street from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. November 20th, more red than green on the screen. Once again, we see the absolutely irresponsible dissemination of information in the middle of the day, completely ravaging people who are trying to trade this market. I really believe that is one of the viruses, that is one of the catastrophes of the administration in Washington, is the irresponsible tweet and dissemination of economically sensitive data in the middle of the day. The China story, the gift that keeps on giving, the virus that keeps on growing, it's absolutely horrendous. We came in today, market was fairly constructive, definitely a bit on the fragile side over some, worries about China and other things and whatnot, impeachment proceedings and, but the market seemed pretty solid. Midday, this staged announcement comes out that stage one, a stage we never even really knew about a China deal, is not going to happen, going to be delayed, probably won't happen this year, and the market sold off 250 points in a swoosh, in a battle, in a fury, off a cliff, decimating anybody who was trying to trade this market. If you're an investor, it is devastating to try and make judgment calls. If you're a trader, forget about it, stay out of the sidelines until this administration changes. All that being said, the market did not really rebound, got back a little bit of half of what it had. A couple of rebalances today threw the market into a flux. We closed down 112 points. 28,000 seems to be at a bit of a level of resistance. The China story seems to be another bit of resistance. Russell off 6, S&P off 12. Dollar rallying, oil rallying after getting decimated 3 days in a row. Transport's down 150. You know what? As I always say, we're a tweet away from a 1,000-point move. Be careful. Traders, be nimble. Investors, stay in. Don't look around. Pay no attention to this. At the end of the day, it's meaningless. It's all BS. Stay in it to win it. Be careful of the toss. Buy on fundamentals. Traders beware, traders beware. Let's see how the week turns out. Thanksgiving coming up. Retailers seem positive. Target trading at record highs. Walmart also. Things are good in the retail space. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, but this China story is horrendous. That's all I got to say. I'm really disappointed in the way this thing is done. You're trying to trade on fundamentals. A tweet comes out and says the market off 250 points. That's irresponsible, inexcusable, unacceptable. Einstein and Wall Street from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.